Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing custom color eye tip extensions on a returning client. Now she is no stranger to eye tip extensions, but this time she wanted to try something new. She's been wanting to color her hair for a long time now, but she's been too afraid to do it. That's why we thought it was a great idea for us to do some custom color extensions so she could see if she likes how the color sits on her face and if she's ready to commit long term. So if you've been worried about dyeing your hair, in this video we're explaining why custom color extensions are a great first step. So let's dive in. Alright, so first things first, I'm going in with an Olaplex treatment. Now an Olaplex treatment is a bond building treatment designed to repair and strengthen damaged hair. I love Olaplex treatments because it helps prevent breakage, restore elasticity, and protects against chemical and heat damage. I love to do it before extensions because it strengthens the hair before it has to withhold the weight of the extensions. Overall, Olaplex provides a strong foundation for the extensions so that they're long-lasting and damage-free. Alright, to give the Olaplex treatment a little boost, I love to pair it with a hair steamer because a steam treatment is going to allow the Olaplex to penetrate deeper into the hair shaft and do more good. It's also going to allow more moisture to penetrate into the hair so the hair is hydrated for longer. This is so important when we are doing eye tip extensions, especially because all of our hair is still out, and more moisture means frizz-free, hydrated, shiny results. Alright, so after my client has finished steaming, I'm going in with the moisture shampoo. Now I love the moisture shampoo because it's rich, it's creamy, but it doesn't weigh down the hair, which is so important because my client has fine hair and fine hair can't handle heavy products. So that's why we love the moisture shampoo, because although it is rich in hydration, it doesn't weigh the hair down and leave her feeling greasy afterward. Alright, and after her shampoo, I'm going in with the deep repair treatment, which is the deep conditioning treatment for today. And I love the deep repair treatment because it has both moisture and strength built into one product. And that is so important when we're trying to go back and forth on what our hair needs. This is a great balance for both. It deeply moisturizes the hair. You can feel your hair get soft to the touch, but it also has keratin proteins in it, which helps keeps your hair healthy and strong. So you really get 2 for 1 with this product, and it is a salon favorite. Now while my client's deep conditioner is processing, I'm going in and giving her a scalp massage. Now a scalp massage is great, especially preparing the hair for extensions, because it just increases the blood circulation, it relieves tension in the scalp, and promotes relaxation. It really helps reduce inflammation, especially after the install. So I want to make sure that her scalp and her hair is ready for this install and well taken care of. Alright, so to prep her hair for her blow dry, I'm going in with the Emergency Miracle treatment, which is a leave-in conditioner. Now I always say a leave-in conditioner is the first product you should always use before styling your hair, because we want to make sure that our hair stays moisturized for longer. So a leave-in conditioner should always be your first product. Now I love the Emergency Miracle treatment because it is so lightweight, and like I said before, my client has fine hair, so especially for a leave-in conditioner, I can't have anything too heavy. And the great benefit about a lightweight conditioner is that the molecules are small, so it is able to go deep into the hair, deeper into the hair than a heavier product, and keep the hair moisturized and stronger for longer. Alright, so after her leave-in conditioner, I'm grabbing Lay Do, which is the blow dry cream, and I'm going to layer that right on top. If you are not using a blow dry cream before your blow dries, I'm telling you, you are missing out, because a blow dry cream, it has that moisture content that keeps your hair moisturized and smooth as you blow it out. This helps smooth your hair out, it keeps it hydrated, so overall you're using less heat with a smoother finish. So if you're not using a blow dry cream, I say get on it. And I love Lay Dew because, once again, it is a lightweight product and it keeps the hair so soft after a blow dry, but it keeps it movable and lightweight. People are always amazed by how lightweight it feels, and it really does a great job of keeping the hair damage free. And last but not least, I'm going to seal in all the goodness we just put in with the amethyst oil. Now, I love the amethyst oil because not only is it lightweight, you know I love lightweight products, but it also has heat protection. And I love it because it always leaves a silky smooth finish at the end of any blow dry with tons of shine. Alright, so as I blow dry my client's hair, let's dive into some benefits of using custom color extensions before committing to dyeing your hair. Alright, so the first benefit, which you already know, is that it doesn't damage your natural hair. Dyeing curly hair can lead to dryness, breakage, or even loss of curl definition due to the chemicals involved. So colored extensions really provide an option to change up your look without exposing your hair to harsh dyes or bleach. Another benefit is that color extensions are temporary, so this allows you the time to enjoy a new color without long-term commitment of dyeing your hair. If you're not happy with your color or you simply want to try something new, you can easily remove your extensions and change them out. I like to recommend this to my clients who get antsy and like to change up their hair color all the time, but their hair can't take it long term. I always suggest getting extensions so you can play around with it, scratch your itch, but keep your hair in your head at the same time. And lastly, getting color extensions is so low maintenance compared to dyeing your hair, which requires regular touch-ups and special treatments, but extensions maintain the color without fading much and makes it low maintenance alternative to keeping your hair looking vibrant. Alright, so after her blow dry, I'm going to give her a little trim. I really don't have to take off much because this client also receives keratin, so her hair doesn't really split as much at the ends. Those ends stay strong, so I'm really just cleaning up anything that I see. And look how shiny her hair looks after all that love and care we put into it beforehand. Alright, and here are the custom color I-tip hair extensions that I'm using on my client today. It is in the texture 4A to seamlessly blend in with her natural texture, and is in the color natural black mixed with a honey blonde. And I personally worked with my vendor to create these bundles for her today, and I love working with my vendor to create these custom colors for my clients because I'd rather my vendor handle the color, the processing, than me doing it at home and possibly ruining the integrity of the hair extensions. This way I know that the hair is going to be manageable for my client and the color is going to last longer. Alright, so let's get into this install. If you are unfamiliar with I-tip extensions, it is an individual strand by strand method, and essentially the hair extensions are attached to your natural hair using a small bead-like cylinder. You clamp it down and it just holds the hair and your natural hair together. This method is heat-free and doesn't require any glues or adhesives, making it gentler on the hair. Some benefits of I-tip hair extensions for curly hair specifically is that it allows you to take care of your natural hair. Because all of your hair is out, you're still able to maintain your routine, which is so important to allowing your hair to flourish and not reach a plateau because you did a protective style. I-tip hair extensions are also the most customizable because it's so easy to pop some color here and there, so you can definitely get the look that you want seamlessly without the hassle. And lastly, I-tips are very low maintenance, Once installed, they require minimal upkeep and can last several months with proper care. Alright, and here are the eye tips all installed, and look how full her hair looks. And this was only like one bundle and like a touch of a second one. And then once we open up under the hood, you can see how the hair is laid out. Because it is a strand by strand method, it allows the hair to be really flexible, really movable, especially when you want to try different styles. Alright, so today we decide to style it curly, but stick around to the end if you want to see this hair straight. So in order to give her a little wash and go moment, I'm gonna wet the hair section by section with a spray bottle, and then I'm gonna go in with the amplifying foam. Now this is the only product that we are going to use today, and I love the amplifying foam because it is a foam, it is lightweight, and it has a buildable hold, so it's not going to weigh my client's hair down, but it's going to give me that firm hold and long lasting hold that I need. As I run the product through her hair, you can see those curls are just clumping together and forming, and it is so defined and just like looks so juicy. One thing I will say is that this hair is so soft, making it so much easier to detangle, which is so important when you're dealing with like curlier textures and extensions. You have to detangle them often, so you want them to be easy to detangle. Alright, so after defining her curls, I'm gonna go ahead and just really blend in those extensions with her hair. I'm going in and just finding those bulky pieces and then just blending them in. This is gonna make styling her hair so much easier when she's at home because it won't look all shelfy and it will be easier to like style. Alright, to dry her hair, I'm going in with a hair diffuser, and a diffuser is great because it's going to help keep that hair curly, but then it's also going to make sure that that hair product is activated so it can do its job and maintain a hold. One thing I will say about eye tips is that they are air dry friendly, unlike wefts and other type of hair extensions, making it once again so low maintenance. Alright, and here are the final results. We decided to do a little updo to get the hair out of her face, but then you can see how even at the top her hair blends in so well with this 4A texture, and you can see all the color in all its glory. And as promised, here is that same hair straightened and silk pressed, and we fell even more in love with this hair. Look at the color, it's not too much, it literally just blends in so well with her hair. It looks so natural, as if someone personally colored her hair themselves. And the way this hair is moving, you would have never thought it would have started off as like a coily texture. If you want to learn more about eye tip hair extensions, I recommend watching this upcoming video. Until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!